Yo, Elon, my cosmic brother. I heard you've been reaching for the stars.
Puff Dog, I've heard of your unique vibes. How would you like helping me take them all the way to the moon?
You know that I'm always ready for a trip. But first, you gotta chill. Let's elevate.
Wow, Puff. This is next level.
Now you get it. We're all just little specks floating on a big old blue marble. Sometimes you gotta float a little higher to get perspective.
You're right. How about we float all the way to the moon? I've got a rocket ready just for you, Puff.
Let's light this candle. Peace out.
Three,
I'm moonbound.
2, 1.
Some dogs fetch sticks. Puff Dog, he fetches the moon. When you aim high, anything's possible.